Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your mail account because changing a password requires authentication. Use a personal device and a secure network to prevent interception. Once signed in, go directly to Account or Security Settings where Password Controls live. Make sure you have access to your recovery email or phone. Sites will often send a verification code. Enter your current password when prompted to prove identity. Then choose the option labeled Change Password or Update Password to proceed. Now you're in the Change Password form. Input your current password, then type the new password twice to avoid typos. Pick a passphrase of at least 12 characters with mixed case, numbers, and symbols because longer, varied strings resist guessing and brute force. If available, turn on two-factor authentication to add a second verification layer. This prevents account takeover even if the password leaks. Make sure to save the new password in a trusted password manager so you don't reuse or lose it. Finish by saving the change and completing any verification steps, often a code sent to your recovery contact, so the provider accepts the new credential. Once done, make sure to sign out other sessions or accept prompts to update logged-in devices. This forces reauthentication and secures lingering sessions. Finally, update email clients and apps with the new password. If you can't change the password, use the account recovery flow or contact support with proof of ownership. That usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.